In this video, 5 raised to power x plus 2 is equal to 120. Solve for x. We have 5 raised to power x plus 2 is equal to 120. I'm going to take the logarithm of both sides of this equation. Log 5 raised to power x plus 2 will give us log 120. Then we apply this law of logarithm. Log m raised to power p is equals to p log m. Then we have x plus 2 times log 5 is equal to log 120. In order to solve for x, we need to first divide both sides by log 5. So that we can get rid of log 5 from the left side expression, leaving us with x plus 2, then is equal to log 120 divided by log 5. Before we go ahead and subtract 2 from both sides, let us tidy up this expression. X plus 2 can also be written as log 120 here can be written as 12 times 10 or as 24 times 5, then divided by log 5. This implies x plus 2 is equal to, if we separate this product, and to do that, we are going to apply this law of logarithm. Log m times p will give us log m plus log p. So we use this law to separate this product. Then this will give us log 24, then plus log 5, both divided by log 5. And then we separate this division to give us x plus 2 is equal to log 24 divided by log 5 plus log 5 divided by log 5. Log 5 here will divide log 5 here to give us 1. So we have x plus 2 is equal to log 24 divided by log 5 plus 1. We'll go again and separate 24. This time we'll break it to the simplest possible. X plus 2 is going to be 24 can be broken down into 8 times 3. So we have log 8 times 3 divided by log 5 plus 1. Usually I can still break 8 down, but that's just 2 raised to power 3. So it's already in its basic form, kind of. You'll see by the next step. So x plus 2 is equal to log 8 plus log 3 divided by log 5, then plus 1. Now when we separate this, we get x plus 2 is equal to log. So instead of writing log 8 now, I'm going to write log 2 raised to power 3, then divided by log 5, then plus log 3 divided by log 5 again, and plus 1. So we have x plus 2 is equals to 3 log 2 divided by log 5 plus log 3 divided by log 5, then plus 1. X plus 2 is equal to 3 into log 2 divided by log 5, then plus log 3 divided by log 5, and then plus 1. These two expressions, by law of logarithm, they are of the form log m divided by log p. This will give us log m base p. Therefore, x plus 2 becomes 3 log 2 base 5, then plus log 3 base 5, and then plus 1. Now I need to subtract 2 from both sides. This will then give me the final solution for x, which will now be 3 log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5. And then if we subtract 2 from this side, 1 minus 2 will give us minus 1. This is the final value for x. Let us verify quickly that this is correct. So to check that this is correct, we'll substitute this value into the given equation, which was 5 raised to power x plus 2 is equal to 120. So we have 5 raised to power 3 log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5 minus 1 plus 2, and this should give us 120. Let us tidy up these powers. This is going to be 5 raised to power 3 log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5, then minus 1 plus 2 is plus 1 is equal to 120. Then I'm going to use law of indices to separate these powers. Using x raised to power m plus n is equal to x raised to power m times x raised to power n by law of indices. This expression then becomes 5 raised to power 3 log 2 base 5 times 5 raised to power log 3 base 5, then times 5 raised to power 1. And this should be equal to 120. This first one, we can take this power all the way here by law of logarithm. So we have 5 raised to power log 2 raised to power 3 base 5 times 5 raised to power log 3 base 5. 5 raised to power 1 is just 5. And this is supposed to give us 120. This right here is 5 raised to power log 2 raised to power 3 is 8 times base 5. This remains the same. Then times 5 should give us 120. By law of logarithm, a raised to power log b base a will always give us b. So this expression will give us 8, and this expression will give us 3. Therefore, we have 8 times 3 and then times 5 is equal to 120. 8 times 3 here is 24. Then 24 times 5 is 120. And of course, 24 times 5 is 120. So 120 is equal to 120. Left hand side balances the right hand side. Confirming that our solution is correct. And the value here is correct. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, and also remember to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video.